In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a post on Instagram. After creating a post on your Instagram, you want to pin it on your profile. Maybe for future reference, or you just want to highlight it. It's pretty simple and easy. On your Instagram homepage, navigate to the bottom where you see your profile icon and tap on it. On this interface, scroll down till you locate the post that you want to highlight. In this case, I want to highlight this. So I'll proceed to tap on it. As you can see, this is a media file. In order for me to pin it, I'll just navigate to the top where I see this three dots and tap on it. And when I scroll down among the bunch of menus, I have the option to pin to my profile. So I'll tap on pin to your profile. You have successfully pinned this to your profile. In order for me to confirm it, all I have to do is to navigate back to my profile by tapping on this profile icon on the bottom right. So now when you maneuver to the Instagram post, you now see the pin icon highlighted on the posts. And that is it. You have successfully pinned this post on Instagram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.